Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to trim a video in Canva. So if you add a video to your design like this, for example, and you want to trim it, so my current video is 10 seconds long and I want to trim it. So what you need to do to trim it is just click on the video in here. Click on the video on the timeline, and you can see there is an arrow on both sides of the video, so you can just choose which part that you want to trim, whether it's the start or the end, and just drag the arrow to trim the video. So for example, I want to make it only 5 seconds long, like this, and just like that the video will be trimmed. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope it will be helpful. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, click on the thanks, and click on the thumbs up. Bye.